Okay. Hi guys, it's Pastor Renee. I just got my package from HP. I just got my gaming laptop, so I'm finna unbox it right now. I'm gonna turn the camera. Turn the light on. A little bit of overview. Yes, 15 laptop PC. Okay, which way do I open it? Which way do I open it? I think it's... Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I really don't want to okay, there's the tape. I had to figure out where the tape was. So let me get my box knife, cut, and cut right along here. Okay. Okay, I was like, did I help it? Did I make it worse? Or... Okay. Okay. So basically, instructions, basically specs. Put that over there. The charger and plug. I'm gonna charge it up. Take this off. This unboxing is so messy. This is what the back is looking like. This is the front. Ooh. So I'm gonna open the laptop. Shit. Oh, look how sleek it is. And the keyboards. And they're red. Yes, queen. I don't know why he's barking, but I'm about to plug it in and put in the Wi-Fi password and download some Origin so I can play Sims probably early in the morning, because I wake up stupid early in the morning. So I'm probably gonna be filming videos on my gaming channel. I'm gonna definitely send you guys a link to my channel over on my gaming channel so you guys can check that out. I'm so excited. And let me show you one last look of what it looks like. Look at it. She's beautiful. Ignore my dirty ass room, but she is so beautiful and she feels sleek. And look at the buttons, they're red. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like on. But I gotta charge it. Bye.